Affiliate marketing isn't just a buzzword. It's a powerful income stream that's helping thousands of people achieve financial freedom. But what separates the top earners from the rest? In this video, I'm revealing proven strategies to help you maximize your affiliate marketing success. Stick around because by the end, you'll have actionable tips to boost your earnings. First things first, success in affiliate marketing starts with choosing the right niche. It's not just about promoting high-paying products. It's about finding a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. Why? Because authenticity sells. If your audience trusts you, they're more likely to click that affiliate link. Next up, product research. Use platforms like Amazon's bestsellers or tools like Google Trends to find products that are in demand. But don't just chase trends. Choose products that solve real problems for your audience. Remember, value comes first, commissions second. Now let's talk platforms. Whether it's a blog, YouTube channel, or social media, you need a space where your audience can engage with your content. Each platform has its own strengths. Blogs work well for in-depth reviews, while TikTok and Instagram are great for quick, engaging product highlights. Data is your best friend in affiliate marketing. Track your clicks, conversions, and audience behavior. Tools like Google Analytics or Affiliate Dashboard Insights can help you optimize your strategies. Test different types of content, whether it's tutorials, product reviews, or comparison videos, to see what resonates most with your audience. Content is king, but consistency is key. Post regularly and ensure your content is high quality. Use storytelling to connect with your audience and include clear calls to action. Tell them exactly why the product is valuable and how it can help them. Don't underestimate email marketing. Build an email list and nurture it with valuable content. Landing pages and funnels can also help guide your audience from interest to purchase. This is where automation tools come in handy to streamline the process. To recap, choose the right niche and products. Use the best platform for your audience. Leverage data to optimize your strategy. Create consistent, high-quality content. Utilize email marketing and landing pages. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but with the right strategies, it can become a sustainable and lucrative income stream. Which of these tips are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on growing your online income. Until next time, keep hustling and growing your affiliate empire.